Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate TeamGantt API with personal tokens. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate the TeamGantt API using personal tokens, start by logging into your TeamGantt account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. In the account settings menu, look for the API tokens section. Click on the option to generate a new API token. Provide a name for your API token to help you remember its purpose. Select the appropriate permissions for the token based on your needs. After setting the permissions, click the Generate button to create the token. Make sure to copy the generated token immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, open your development environment or code editor where you'll be making API requests. In your code, add the necessary library to handle HTTP requests, such as Axios or Fetch. Set up the request headers, ensuring to include the authorization header. In the authorization header, format it as bearer, your underscore token, using the token you copied earlier. Compose your API request, targeting the desired endpoint for TeamGantt. Make sure to handle errors in your code to catch any authentication issues. Once your code is ready, execute the API request. Check the response to verify that your authentication was successful. If everything works correctly, you're now ready to interact with the TeamGantt API using your personal token. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.